Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you our 2019 spring porch refresh. So even though there's still a little bit of snow outside and it's a little bit cold, we are getting really excited about the warmer temperatures. On our front porch, it's one of our favorite spaces in our home, or outside of our home, I guess. And today I'm so happy to be partnering with The Brick. They're sponsoring this video and the blog post that I will link to in the description box below. And we are doing a spring porch refresh. So I can't wait to show you what I did with our spring porch this year. And I hope it gives you lots of ideas as you decorate your own porch or your own outdoor space for spring. Let's get started. So first things first, I decorated a new wreath for my front door. So I'm taking apart this same wreath that I did for fall last year and for Christmas last year and redoing it again for spring. I thought I may as well just reuse the wreath that I have. I love the size of this grapevine wreath and I love a lot of the elements. So I just took off all the Christmassy elements and I'm keeping a lot of the greenery and I'm adding in some faux peonies. Of course, I love peonies, you probably know that by now. And I also cut up some faux lavender stems and I'm placing those on the leaf as well because that's something that I'm also loving this season, and some of these fake succulents. And I love this sort of French country inspired black and white striped ribbon. I just tied a simple bow and I glued it here on the wreath. I'm adding some more lavender in here for good measure also, and I'm just kind of playing around until I get a look that I love. And this is how my simple front door wreath turned out for spring. And I love how I'm just reusing the same wreath again, but it has a whole new look. Another thing that I did was I crocheted a rug out of jute twine. Now this is a whole tutorial in itself and I will leave a link in the description box below for that tutorial if you're interested in that. And I'm really happy with how this turned out. I used this to cover up our porch floor, which is in dire need of some tiling, which we're going to do when the weather gets warm. It's not warm enough now. Another thing I did was put together a really simple little tabletop arrangement for our porch. So I just took an inexpensive vase, I took some faux boxwood, some faux lavender, and some more faux peonies. So I'm trying to repeat elements here on the porch so that everything looks tied together and there's a bit of a springy color scheme. So I think it all works really well together. So here's how this really simple arrangement turned out. It's way too cold for real flowers and real greenery on our porch, so I'm just using faux for now, and I really think that works in little bits and pieces. I've also used lots of faux boxwood. I really like the look of faux boxwood. I found these at The Brick. I also found these wreaths here at Michael's, and I'm hanging them on my windows just to add some green into our space that is really brown right now. So here is how our spring front porch looks. I am absolutely in love with this new sectional. Thank you to The Brick for giving it to us. It is called the Minnesota 5-piece sectional, and I will leave a link to it in the description box below. When I saw the color of it online, I was absolutely in love with it because it matches our front door perfectly. I thought it would, and then when I set it up, I realized it did, and I was so happy. The pillows are DIY. I will link to those down below, and this table here is also a DIY I did last year or the year before, I can't remember, and it's just a bench I made from reclaimed wood and some stumps from our backyard. So all in all, I think this looks really cheerful. I'm really liking this color scheme, this really bright teal with all the pinks and the lavenders for spring. And all of the DIYs really make it personal. This sectional is awesome because you can take the pieces all apart, so you can use some pieces here, some pieces there, but I like it all together here on our porch. These drapes here are DIYs from a drop cloth, and I just tied them with some more striped ribbon. I will link to that tutorial in the description box below, and I hung up a simple little lantern up here with twinkle lights inside for the evening. Again, here is that bench turned coffee table. Of course, it's really super rustic, but I like how it looks against the furniture. The armnet blanket is also a DIY. I will link to that below. And I just want to show you how this sofa matches the front door. They're this really great teal color, and I think they look so great together. It just ties everything in. I'll leave some more pictures on my blog, and it's in the description box below. And here's a last look at our spring front porch at night, and I can't wait to hang out here. I hope you enjoyed our front porch this year. Let me know in the comments below which part of our porch you liked the best, and I would also love to hear how you are decorating your own outdoor space for the spring and what you like to do when you hang out outside. Do you like to roast marshmallows? Do you like to just kind of read books while the kids play? What sorts of things do you like to do in your outdoor space? Thanks again to The Brick for sponsoring this video. I will leave a link to this sectional down in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more DIY and home decor and lifestyle ideas, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!